Here's how you can cook rice in a rice cooker with adverbs of manner. 1. Truly measure the desired amount of rice and place it in the rice cooker pot. 2. Carefully rinse the rice under the cold water to remove excess starch. 3. Repeat this gently until the water runs clear. 4. Accurately add the appropriate amount of water based on your rice type. For example, 1 cup of rice usually needs 1 cup of water. Evenly spread the rice across the bottom of the pot to ensure it cooks constantly. 8. Firmly close the rice cooker lid and press the cook button. Patiently wait for the rice to cook, as the rice cooker will automatically stop when done. Carefully open the lid as steam may escape. Gently flap the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Neatly serve the rice in a bowl and enjoy your meal.